Today we're back with some yummy foods. Yum yum yum.
So we have pork, barbecue, which is the kabob. We have some fish, some vegetables, and deep fried fish. I have some tofu also here, and we have some like dipping sauce. We have tomatoes.
She has like seasoned,
Yeah,
like, and I have
tomatoes.
just like normal tomatoes.
It's separate because I put sauce mine,
Yeah.
and then we have this vinegar. So let's eat.
Look how big these kebabs are.
Yep. And eat kebab.
Yummy.
Okay, ready? Dig in. Come on, guys, let's eat. Crunchy.
Feel.
Okay.
We do have to.
And I also made French fries for the little one. I love this. This is turnips. Turnip leaves. I love. Let me get something. Half Naomi. So I have this deep fried tofu, and then I have the tomato here, and then some seasoning. So we're just gonna, it's like a salad with that. Then kebab on it. You could do like this,
Oh
remember?
gosh.
That's how you eat.
I know.
Kasi.
Minsan nahihiya siya sa harapan ng camera. So, kain lang ng kain, day.
Remember that light was on? Maybe there's a ghost and a squirrel.
What is that, little boy?
Remember the light was on?
And I have this vinegar also here.
I remember the light was
The-
on. Yeah, remember that. It was
With
so
the tassel?
creepy.
It's so good.
Can I try a French fry?
You can try it.
Thank you. Yeah, honey mustard sauce too in the French fries. That's good.
Ang sarap. Then I dip fry fish.
What?
It's good with dipping sauce. It's good. It's perch.
Hmm.
Perch fish.
I can't see it.
I don't know if I said it right.
I'm pretty sure.
I'm sorry.
Move her up. Move a little bit here.
I love it. I love that. And then the before.
Sarap kumain. Oh, then this one is fried eggplant. Those who never tried fried by itself, and then dip it with anything that is sour. So good. Ooh. Ang sarap.
Syrup.
Isang ang sarap.
Huh?
Masarap? You like your french fries?
No.
Yeah, I made him a homemade french fries also. So that's what he liked.
Remember the green light at Mimi on
You have an extra rice here.
Remember?
What, boo boo?
Remember the light, the porch, the light.
Yeah.
The light was on. Yeah, that was so creepy.
Creepy.
Remember? The light was on there. The light was on there. So that's what happened.
Ay, nag-imas timangan. Apple.
Apple.
Lalo na nakakamot. Sarap.
Zachary, your french fries are good too.
Good? So good. I love this tofu. Sarap kumain.
Apple.
You're full?
You full now, Zach? How come?
Hi.
There's still a lot of food.
I'll finish your french fries.
No.
I'm seeing so
I could make him another one again tonight
I'm
because I
seeing
have
so
some.
Maybe I didn't sing so well.
have my ginger ale. Want some of it?
No thanks, I got milk.
You got milk. Mommy, Dad said don't. Mommy, remember you said don't drink soda?
You can't drink soda.
But you're
Kids
drinking soda.
can't drink soda, anak.
And you're drinking soda.
Yeah, because I am mommy.
And
But
ginger
remember-
ale's not that bad.
Mm-hmm.
Ginger ale can help you when you're sick.
Yung mga bata. Because I told him soda is not good for him.
And more. Give me more.
Just have mine. There you go.
Look at that fish. Mmm. Hurry up.
Oh, I'm getting full too.
I got it for two. Are you getting full, Mama?
Alright. So, we're done eating for now. We'll probably continue after this, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And
See you next time, guys.
bye!